Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have these. These are clothes hanger connecting hooks. These are metal hooks, and they're space-saving, durable metal, and clean and tidy. So we should be able to connect several hooks up, and it's funny, it rotates this way to this way, and hook it up to several items in my closet and see how it looks. So this is what it looks like here. So it's just a tiny little hook. So check that out. So it's a little hook, and it goes on the hanger. So let's say if we had like 4 things, so it comes with 18 of them, but let's see, I'm gonna figure out 4 because I have 4 items here. Haha, check this out. Okay, so I'll say I have 1. Don't make fun of my clothes. This is an old, what's it called? What do you call that thing? The tank top. So you can hang one there, and I can hang another one there, and I can just hang it onto here, or I could put it over the hole, but I just gonna hook it up here. Put another one there, and then I can go and do another one there. Kind of cool that it has a little place for it here. So check this out. This is gonna be totally space saving, and I can have 4 things hooked up on the space of 1. And then if I wanted to take off one of them, I have to work my way from the bottom apparently, because if I take this one off, you know, I've got the other one, I've got 2. So, but it's kind of a cool idea that you can have 4 things in the space of 1. This will be good for like my dress up clothes, because I can have like my suit jacket and then different shirts underneath it that I almost never wear, but I can at least have them all hanging up in a space saving single hook kind of fashion. So look at see how thin that is. It's just a single hanger now, but then if I took these things off and went back up to the top, I mean, I'm just gonna leave those little metal pieces hanging there, but you see how wide it is now. Now it's 4 things wide. So super cool. So I'll be using this. I'll probably put my exercise equipment and stuff on here too, my shirts, just because I work my way up. I'm gonna go through all 4 in 4 days. So it's like exercise every day. So it's a super cool little concept here, these little connection hooks. And I'm gonna say they are awesome. They're thumbs up from me. And I'm gonna put a link to these in the description. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.